Meet Dr. Fred Banks. Dr. Banks has been practicing dentistry for over 30 years. He's earned a reputation for his caring, patient-focused approach. Claudia Fortunato Banks is his certified dental assistant with over 12 years' experience, and she's fluent in Portuguese, Spanish, and English. Working as a team, they provide common-sense dental care tailored to your specific needs. In this video, you'll learn what thoughtful dentistry means, how Dr. Banks tailors a treatment plan for each patient based on their dental needs and budget. You'll see how composite bonding can transform your appearance. This affordable cosmetic procedure is like a same-day makeover for your smile. And you'll understand the health benefits of occlusal equilibration.
Basically, thoughtful dentistry involves thinking about what you're doing, making sure that you have patient input, and thinking about your treatment plan to make sure it fits the patient. Part of thoughtful dentistry also involves, in my opinion, using minimally invasive techniques. Each tooth I feel like is a little person, so I don't want to hurt their feelings.
Here's some examples of transformational dentistry.
This is a young man who was a little bit hesitant to do these veneers. He wasn't sure how he was going to like any changes. But he did have a lot of some spaces, and you can see there's a big space here, another space here. So this was kind of difficult, and we really had to use the team approach here. We eventually got a nice result. It came out like this. You can see how the teeth have good symmetry. We got a greatly improved result, and he ended up to be very happy. And one of the nice things about this procedure is this type of work where we sculpt composite material onto the teeth and set it with a light, is that it's completely reversible. In other words, if you don't like it, you can go back to the way you were, and or keep part of it and not other parts. Secondly, we don't even need any anesthetic. It's for the most part pain-free. We can't tell patients that everything's pain-free because it's not true. But for the most part, you don't need anesthetic for these things, and they're completely reversible. These composite materials that we use in these cases to get results like this, to get a result like that, it's quite inexpensive relative to crowning a whole tooth or cutting a tooth up to put a crown on it. This is a very non-invasive procedure. It actually protects the tooth by putting a coating over the enamel that's bonded on. This is Natalino, a really nice young man. We really enjoyed helping this man. He came into the office in a day, in a few hours, get this kind of result. And let me tell you about this guy. He was so happy. When we fixed him up like this, they told us this story. They're so used to covering up their mouth with their hand that they didn't know what to do with their hand when they were able to smile, so they covered their eyes. So they'd be smiling like this. This is a young woman, very, very picky woman, notices everything. In other words, so we really have to do a good job with these people, because any little thing that they don't like, they're going to tell you. This is her smile when she started. You can see in this photograph, she's not really smiling. She's showing us her teeth. So when I take before and after photographs, in the first place, when I take the first picture, they show me their teeth. In the second picture, the after picture, they're smiling because they're happy with the way they look. It can totally transform a person. Not just the smile, but the personality themselves, because when you're able to comfortably smile, it makes you much more comfortable in social situations. But she got a nice result, and this woman was a real happy camper when she came, when she left the office.
And now occlusal equilibration.
We need to pay a lot of attention to the bite. It's called occlusion, and it really is the source of a lot of dental problems. The TMJ, or the temporomandibular joint, is related to the occlusion or the bite of the teeth. You can see how powerful these muscles are. There's a lot of muscles right in here putting force on the teeth and on the temporomandibular joint, because this bone goes down here, comes across here, and it's very important that those teeth match up correctly. The upper and lowers need to be in harmony so that you prevent a host of problems, including temporomandibular joint problems, TMJ problems, and tooth problems. What do we do about solving this problem? Well, we adjust how the teeth come together. Very simply, we contour the teeth so they fit in just where they want to be.
The offices of Dr. Fred Banks are conveniently located on A1A in Satellite Beach, just 2 blocks south of the Bonita Causeway in the Ocean View Office Center. The office consists of spacious suites equipped with the latest dental technology.
We do everything in this office, from basic to major, from cleanings to x-rays, to dentures, to implants, to bridges.
I'd like you to come in and experience the difference of thoughtful dentistry.
Call 321-773-7274 to make an appointment.
321-773-7274. 321-773-7274.
My wife, Claudia, and I, we really enjoy helping people. We take a sincere interest in doing good things for other people. We want to make as many people as we can as happy as possible.